Konnichiwa minasan. Mata yoroshiku. Ishu ni nihongo o benkyou shimashou. Gambaremashou. Hi. And hello guys. Let's do our best to study Japanese language together. Dewa, hajimemashou. Let's start our lesson. Letter introduction. Ta. This is how you write ta in hiragana. Ta. Next. Letter introduction. Chi. This is how you write chi in hiragana. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter. Ta. This is ta in hiragana. Check. Correct. Letter introduction. Tsu. This is how you write tsu in hiragana. Next. Letter introduction. Te. This is how you write te in hiragana. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter. Chi. This is chi in hiragana. Check. Correct. Listen, choose the matching letter. Tsu. This is tsu in hiragana. Check. Correct. Look at the transcription and choose the matching letter. Ta. This is ta in hiragana. Check. Correct. Match the kana with the corresponding romaji. Chi. This is chi. Chi in hiragana. Chi in romaji. Tsu. This is tsu in hiragana. This is tsu in romaji. Ta in hiragana. Ta in romaji. This is te in hiragana. This is te in romaji. Great job. Next. Letter introduction. To. This is how you write to in hiragana. Next. Listen, choose the matching letter. Te. This is te in hiragana. Check. Correct. Listen, choose the matching letter. To. This is to in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Look at the transcription and choose the matching letter. Chi. This is chi in hiragana. Check. Correct. Continue. Match the kana with the corresponding romaji. Te. This in hiragana. Te in romaji. This is ta in hiragana. This is ta in romaji. This is chi in hiragana. This is chi in romaji. This is tsu in hiragana. This is tsu in romaji. Great job. Next. Match the kana with the corresponding romaji. Chi in hiragana. Chi in romaji. This is te in hiragana. This is te in romaji. This is to in hiragana. This is to in romaji. This is tsu in hiragana. And this is tsu in romaji. Next. You have completed the lesson. Mina arigato. Kite korete honto arigato. Mata ishu ni nihongo benkyou shimashou. Yeah. Goke deyo. Bye bye.